How does she sleep with that stuff in her hair? Isn't it uncomfortable?
My daughter never complains about the accessories being uncomfortable when she's sleeping at night, but I try to make it to where she's most comfortable, so here's our little routine. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do is take out all the accessories that I feel like aren't going to be comfortable for her when she's sleeping. So for this specific hairstyle, I took out all the butterfly clips that were on the front two braids, and then I took out the baubles that were on the top of her head. Then I went in with some oil on her parts just so that her scalp would be hydrated. And now is the step that I recently changed. So as some of you guys know, I used to wrap her hair in a head wrap before I would place it in a bonnet. But you know, kids being kids, when they take stuff off, they never put it back where they're supposed to, so we ended up losing it for a few days. And as many of you know, we live in Hawaii, so there's really no beauty supplies around here, so I can't just go and get it. We got Target and Sally's as our only two options. So one night when I was trying to wrap her hair up, I looked at my husband and I said, give me that do-rag, hand it over. And let me just say, I will never go back to wrapping her styles with a head wrap. The do-rag is way less bulky, which makes it more comfortable for her. Also, another thing I figured out is I tie her bonnet in the back, because if I tie it at the top, then she's most likely gonna pull on it throughout the night. And last but not least, I pull her little ears out. And if you guys were referring to the beads, then they make silicone beads now, which makes it easier for kids to sleep at night. But there's so many options, you just have to find what works best for you.